live viewers, back with another video on the channel, and today I will be showing you top 5 tips you should know while having a PC or laptop. Windows 10. I will not be doing a version for Mac because I'm pretty sure they're the exact same, but yeah. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is, like, if you want to change your background like I have here, you go to Google Images. You should know this. This is like if you're new to computers or Google or something. Let's search up red backgrounds. So I found some pretty cool ones. Look at white, because that seems quite cool. So yeah, you can pick any one of these. What you want to do, so just do blue background. So let's just say, oh yeah, firstly you want to do like 1920 by 1080. See, well, depends what your monitor resolution is. It should be the exact same though. So let's just say I wanted this one. You can see what resolution it is here, and you can check here. It'll say right there. Now what you want to do, oh wait, not the right one. Yeah, what you want to do is you want to right click with your mouse, press save image as, and call it whatever you want, background picture. If you can do PNG, do that, but if it only says JPEG, then you can do JPEG. Unless it's a transparent background, doesn't really matter. So what you want to do, right click, display settings. Wait, why am I doing that? You want to go into the folder, drag it across to here, pictures, well, wherever you stored it, and then you can find it here. Of course, you won't have everything just like that. I don't know what's with my computer, but there. So now you've changed your background, and on my other monitor, yeah, same. Now let's change it back real quick. There we go. Okay, so the second thing that you should know is if you want to download fonts. I can't be really bothered to download a font. You can check these like sci-fi, initials, handwritten, horror, I guess. I don't know what you choose from, but okay. Yeah. So that's another thing you can do. You just search up how to use fonts from dafont.com. Link to these websites in the description, of course. The next thing you want to do is this website called Pixlr, where you can, it's like Photoshop but free. So you want to do 1920 by 1080. Then you can do like brushes or open images. Let's just say this. Then you want to do Control A, Control C, and then Control V. There you go, you got your picture. So you can type text like 5 kilos or something. And then You can do layer styles. You know, whatever you want to do. So the other thing is Chrome Web Store. You can get all sorts of stuff. I think there's screen recorders. Yeah. You can get Google Hangouts, Social Blade, etc. Google Translate, Tabs News, whatever. MetaMask. What is MetaMask? Yeah, it's nothing at all. You can also do themes. So if you've seen themes, then you can do that. I might choose one right now. That looks cool. What? Yeah. So I'll just choose Dynamo Red, maybe. You just close that. And then you'll see it here. You can press undo. But I won't. So yeah, I might keep this actually. So yeah, that's another thing. There should be games here. There's shopping, eBay, which you can just do. Yeah. The Camelizer, I don't know what the hell that is. Amazon Assist, whatever you want. Oh, 5-star. Yeah. Anyway. Oh my dears. Anyway, so once you've done that, okay. I'm pretty sure you know what this is, but if you want to, let's say, if you have like a gaming computer, like a 980, 660, something, graphics card or something, whatever you have, you can, to play games, you can find free games, expensive games, AAA games like COD World War II, Portal 2, Portal, Just Cause 3, Crisis 2, Left 4 Dead, you can get like Arma 3 and CSGO. So yeah, make sure that you check that you have the right system, because a lot of kids, I made this mistake as well. I just think that you can just get a laptop and buy a AAA game like Assassin's Creed Origins and all run fine, but what's this? If I can spell it right, yes. System requirements. Gotta look at that. So minimum, blah 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 blah. AMD FX 6350, whatever that is. I don't know what AMD is. I only know Nvidia. So yeah, 660s. Yeah. Recommended. So you can look at the recommended. So you can look at that, and then you should find it down here. Yep. Okay, so the recommended. Ooh, 760. Wow. So yeah, you can find all that, and make sure you pay attention to the CPUs. So, because if you don't have the right CPU, I don't know what happens, but it would just not work. Like, I bought a AAA game when I was little. Well, I didn't buy it, it was a Christmas gift, but yeah, laptop playing, done, it didn't work. Because it was literally a work laptop. But luckily I've got my full-on gaming desktop right now with a bit of upgrades and, you know, stuff. I can play games properly without worrying that it's not going to work. Anyway, yeah, so you can also look at this. Yeah, if it says this section here, technically there's not, like that. You can look at the popular definitions of this game. I don't know. Define tags. Yeah. So you can just install Steam there. Mac and Linux. I'll just leave the link in the description. Anyway, yeah. So that has been the video that I should have done a few weeks ago. Couple of weeks ago. So yeah, I should have done it a couple of weeks ago, but well, busy stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. If you didn't, then dislike. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.